Alright, what's going on YouTube? Jared back here again, aka the Laughing Man, with a little moto vlog on Ungodly Loud Truck. So just kind of recapping. Sorry I've been gone the last couple days. I've been I had to go out of town for a conference, and then when I got back I got COVID, so now I'm back. So things coming down. I do have new lights coming in for this bike for the MT-10. So I did get some TST Industries lights for this, so we'll be doing an install video. Let's see here, what else is there? I got a new exhaust coming in, so I reached out to a company to see if they'd be willing to sponsor a video. They said yes, so they're going to send me an exhaust for free. They're not paying me for the video, but they are providing me with the exhaust, so I should be getting a full titanium exhaust. Let's see here, what else is there? Let's see here, there's oh, just sold my Yamaha Stratoliner. So I'm trying to get as much of this out before I hit the freeway here, because this helmet is horrible. Which brings me kind of to my last thing here real quick, guys, is I need a new helmet. So I would like your guys' help in picking what should I get. Right now I'm between the RUROCK EXO Carbon and what is it? The 509 Carbon. Both of them are really good looking helmets. Don't think I could really go wrong with either one, but I need a full face helmet, because this sedici, however you want to pronounce it, helmet is horrible on the freeway. But not only does it damage my hearing, you know, as soon as I get off the bike, I just got really bad ringing in my ears. And that's with earplugs and everything else in. I mean, the wind noise is atrocious through the roof here, which sucks because the microphone setup I've got is actually really good, but when your entire helmet is just being flooded with air, it just destroys your hearing. But yeah, so those are the two that I'm looking at here. Alright, so what else is there? Let's see here. Exhaust, lights. Oh yeah, so the bike is currently at like 581 miles. That's not bad for, you know, because I've only really ridden it for 3 weeks. So at 600 miles, I'm actually going to be calling up probably today or tomorrow to schedule a oil change for it. And then I've got 400 miles left for the break-in period. Then I can actually go out and start having some real fun with it. I'll redo all the fluids and stuff. I will be ordering some new brake lines. That's loud. So the little rubber ones on here just kind of suck. So that's really kind of the biggest upside to the SP version over this one for me would be the brake lines. Like, I could really care less about the electronically adjustable suspension. Well, once your suspension is set for you, you're usually pretty good. I like to want mine stiffer than normal regardless, but the steel braided brake lines and a good set, I want to say it's like $370, something like that. That's for a good name brand. You just select your colors and stuff like that. I am thinking about like a cyberpunk-ish kind of, you know, 90s color scheme, you know, some really bright blues and yellows for the bike. I don't know, I think it would make it stand out a little bit better. Everybody else's MT-10 is either stock color or, you know, they go with like a blackout look or something boring, you know. I want something that like pops. So yeah, other than that, you know, like I said, I really need a better helmet. So the sedici that I have right now is a modular. And I don't know, I was not expecting it to be as loud as this is. I've always used like Scorpion helmets in the past, but even like my Icon helmet that I had an Icon, oh god, what is that damn thing? I'll post a picture of what they look like. But, you know, even those things were, you know, nowhere near as loud as what this thing is for some reason. So the headset that's on this helmet right now, I have my Cardo Pack Edge Pro? Whatever it is. I love that. That thing works great. I did just get a new camera. It should be getting delivered right now, actually. Unfortunately, I couldn't stick around to grab it, but instead of the GoPro, I decided to switch to the DJI Action Pro, which works for me because all my other cameras these days, except for my 360 camera and this one here, I'm running pretty much DJI for everything. So all my mics are DJI. My other camera, I've got the Osmo Pocket, which is a really good camera. It's what I use for like all my face shots and stuff like that when I'm walking around. So I figured, you know what, everybody else is saying good things about the Action 4. I want an Action 4. And since I just sold my Yamaha, or my Yamaha Stratoliner I should say, I felt like it was a good time to buy one. But anyways, guys, I think that's just about wraps us up for my quick little... is this guy gonna hit me? Okay. But yeah, I think that kind of wraps it up for this quick little moto vlog here. I'll get ready to go to work, and yeah, I guess I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye.